What you see on the screen is the revenue from the month of May, and this has been by far the best month in terms of YouTube revenue ever I've had since the time I've started my YouTube journey. And I'm going to show to you that you don't have to go behind subscriber as long as you're delivering quality content, your audience gets value out of the content, you're leveraging the right tool, and you're there at right time, right place. YouTube is no rocket science. I have been on YouTube for more than 4 years now, and I have multiple channels, including 2 new channels which I started 5 months back. And you can see both this channel, one has already hit 1000 subscribers and the other one is about to reach 1000 subscribers, and all of this is organic growth. Now for you to believe, I'll show you analytics from my channel, Canada Tried and Tested, and the channel which went viral for the month of May. I'm not going to reveal the channel name and keep it a mystery, only for reason that I don't want you to chase things which you don't have control on. I will still show you the revenue which both are making, and I will share with you easy insight with which you can grow your YouTube channel. The first question comes to mind is how to get this eligibility hour and subscriber. I'm no expert in short and I don't focus on short, so I cannot comment on that. Majority of my videos are long form videos, and that has been doing good. So first let's talk about 4000 hour and 1000 subscriber. Right now we will leave the subscriber because subscriber are byproduct of your content, and if your audience likes your content, they will surely subscribe as they know that you will deliver value to them and you're authentic, so they're going to surely subscribe. Here this video is a great example. It's just 2-minute 35-second video, and you can see here it has 40k views, and average view here is 1 minute 28 seconds. So to make it easy for calculation, I will convert this 1 minute 28 second, which comes to 1.47 minute. If you divide this 1 minute 28 second by 60, this is what you will get, 1.47 minute. So for 40k plus views, 1.47 minute watch time, that gets you to this total. If you divide this by 60 minutes, you get close to 1000 hours you get, which is just with one single video, and you see it's less than 3 minutes. So if you make just 4 such good videos, you can get that 4000 hour easily. I have done it, so you can also do it. To make it much easier, I'm sharing this. You can have this kept somewhere. If you have a target, you know how to reach that, it becomes that much easier to do any job. So if you are able to engage 240k viewers for 1 minute, you get this 4000 watch hour. If you make a good quality content of 2 minutes, you can get this 4000 watch hours by just reaching 120k viewers. And if you make a 10-minute long video, which is quite engaging, it's quite difficult in times when, people are so addicted to short form content. But if you really make good videos, you just need 24,000 views to get to this 4,000 hour. In both of my new channel, this has easily come, keeping these things in mind. Next one to understand is the Pareto principle or 80-20 rule. On this channel, I have more than 700 videos. You can see here. How many do you think are successful? Less than 50 videos. I was going through a learning curve, and believe me, I tried to give value in every single video. It's not like I did not care about any one particular video. If you look at the statistics, only 8% of the video got me this success and revenue, what you see here. My other channel has a higher hit ratio, higher subscriber, higher revenue within few months since I have started. So what I learned in this channel, I'm able to better in another channel. If you make 100 video, expect 20 to get you most views, likes and subscriber. That doesn't mean that you start going behind which are going to be those 20 videos. Focus on being consistent, making more videos, learn, repeat and learn better. Next comes 1% improvement rule. This is so powerful. If you just improve yourself by 1%, by end of every year, from where you were earlier to now, you would have improved by almost 38%. And again, to give you example, I've started to do few simple things like trying new thumbnail, which impacts click-through rate. I was getting close to 8.8% click-through rate, you can see on the screen. And just by doing few testing and improving the thumbnail, it got increased to 9.9%. So this improvement is not just close to 1% improvement. If you look in terms of the increase in view, it is quite significant. Sometimes your content might be great, but if your audience is not able to understand, it is not compelling for them to come to your video. It is a lost opportunity. When YouTube shows you various videos, you go and click on a particular video, and to make it simpler for you, if 100 people see my video, only 8.8, it's a fraction, but say 9% comes and clicks on my video. And if I have improved that to 9.9, which is 10, just think with a little tweak of 1.1%, how much increase in views I have got just with this number. This is a constant effort. You improve whatever you already have with you. One more example I'll give you. Just by improving the search engine optimization, you see even a dead video scale. Here is this example of my video. There is a sudden spike. It was dead for many months and it started to get views slowly, continued to get slowly, and then you see this upward trajectory. This will keep growing every year as long as I keep making the video and update audience question in my video. This video, I personally know that recently SEO was done on this video and suddenly it has started to see the views. If you don't have money, just install vidIQ and understand the trend. If you can pay, leverage data to make content which audience wants. Majority of my audience comes through YouTube search. I don't push my videos. I don't share link with anyone. I don't post on social media. And I'll tell you the reason why. Make YouTube your friend. Once you understand, once you are able to strategize what your audience wants and you're making the right content, YouTube is going to promote your video. When your audience comes, they find value and they think that there are people like them who are struggling to find answer, they would promote your video. And that's what has been happening in my case. All these external views, what you see, I have not promoted. My audience who finds value in the video, they go and share with the community where they feel that it is going to help them. Someone has a question, they just share the link and tell them, hey, you go and watch this video. So automatically the engagement happens and YouTube as an algorithm knows what exactly is happening. You cannot fool the system. Now, I also invest my time and energy to learn new things. I take mentorship. There are platforms like Fiverr where you can get people to make good thumbnail. If you cannot make thumbnail, they are good in doing their job. There are SEO experts, there are coaches, and a mentor can give you direction to your thinking. An SEO expert can help you plan your content and help you grow faster. With these few implementation, you will see your channel grow, subscriber grow, community grow, and money also coming when you do this hard work. YouTube is no rocket science. I also wanted to touch upon the CPM and RPM. Again, these are things which are not in your control. And at start, I said this channel where I got this revenue in month of May, which has been a game changer. And if you see after this month, it has not been that much, but I'm having a consistent revenue from this channel. Now, what I wanted to tell you is that if you make good content and you have that on YouTube, it can go viral anytime. These videos are classic example. You just need one good video and after that, the engagement starts to come one after another. Before ending this video, I wanted to give you a parting tip. Your video can suck, but not audio. The audience will not like your video if they cannot hear what you're saying. Just you can improve that audio by investing in a microphone. You can use Adobe Enhance. It is free and you can also use Audacity. You have to learn to use Audacity. Adobe Enhance is no-brainer. You just drag and drop your sound. It will give you a professional level output. My other channel has a professional voiceover and this helps me to get audience attention for that content that I have. In terms of camera, I have a DSLR camera. I have phone. 90% of my work get done on mobile and laptop. I do use camera when it is required. When it comes to editing, I have Filmora, which I use for desktop editing. And if I am on mobile, I use CapCut, which is very user friendly. And I also use professional service when content required to get a professional touch. And these people are experts, so they do the best job. For thumbnail, I use Canva, Ideogram, and I also take service from the platform like Fiverr. I hope you got value out of today's content. Remember, Rome was not built in a day. Do your process right, be consistent, give value to your audience, and like subscriber revenue will come to you automatically. Thanks for watching.